MACD. The MACD indicator can actually be one of, if not the most valuable indicator out there in the entire universe. I'm not kidding, guys. MACD indicator, if you can actually understand how to use the MACD indicator, you can actually transform the way you trade. MACD can actually transform the way you trade if you get to understand it. So in today's video, guys, I'm gonna be breaking down and explaining the science behind the MACD indicator, guys. So let's get started. So guys, the first question should be, what is an MACD? An MACD stands for Moving Average Convergence Divergence. So guys, as you can see, this indicator is a tool that is used to identify moving averages that are indicating a new trend, whether it's bullish or bearish. After all, a top priority in trading is being able to find a trend, because that is where the most money is. So guys, like you always hear, you have to trade with a trend. So if you're trading against the trend, it's kind of risky. So MACD is actually good in finding in detecting where the trend of the price or market is actually going to. Price of stock. You really don't need anything else. Right? You don't need anything else. But let's go for the charts right here. So guys, quickly you go to the indicator section. Then you search for MACD. You go for the bold letter MACD. Don't go for these other ones, go for the main MACD. So what I like to do is, once I see the cross, I just get in on the trade in the next candlestick, which is right here, which is this pin candlestick there. So I just get in right this point. My stop's just below the body of this candlesticks, and my target just above this highs right here. So guys, as you can see, this trade was a win, 2.1. So not every trade is gonna win. Let me be frank with you guys. Let me be real with you guys. Not every trade is gonna win, but at least you need to understand risk management, so you don't get you don't go risking all your accounts on one single trade. Nothing works. No trade works all the time. So that's why in trading we have this risk management we always like to follow, guys. So this trade was a win. So this is just how you use MACD on the basic strategy. All right, you see the cross. Okay guys, let me give you one hint, one really simple trick, one secret I use. Once I see the MACD cross below this horizontal histogram line, once I see the MACD cross below, all right, I said MACD cross below, not above. Like if this cross should happen above here, it's not valid. So as it crossed below this point, it is valid for me. So, and another thing is, I use this 200 exponential moving average line. So once the price closes above this 200 period moving average line, then I see a cross on the MACD below this horizontal, below the histogram line. Then I'm looking to get in a trade. Stops just below, below. If you like, you can use below this wicks, but I don't like to do with the wicks. I like to do with the bodies. So below this body, just a little bit below, maybe here, man. So guys, this was a win. Beautiful win. So this is also how to use MACD, basic simple strategy that can make you a lot of money. Like if you trade like this with risk management, you really don't need anything else. Like you don't need anything else. Although this using indicators can lead to losing streaks, which is understandable, guys. So you need to use risk management. At least you could lose like 5 trades in a row, win 5 trades in a row. So that's why you need risk management. Guys, thank you so much for watching, guys. I want you guys to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, guys. Show some love, support the channel. Let's grow together, guys. And if you want to trade with me live every single day, guys, click the link in the description, guys. The first link in the description is my Telegram group, so you guys can go there, join for free, trade with me live, and let's be an XO family. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace and